Hey guys, welcome back on another view. This is just a chillaxing episode where we hang out. I am Lohit Banerjee and this is my guest today.
I'm not a guest, bro. I'm Siddharth Bose. Spock.
So tell me Siddharth, how did we meet? Let them know how did we
But
meet.
it was actually quite a very strange way we actually met. We just started talking
And
in
all of a
second
sudden-
year, and then suddenly, out of the blue, we come in the same major, study, and along with the interaction, eventually, I started loving it.
Oh my god.
Anyways, he's a great guy, and yeah, it's been quite a good journey. And finally, I found someone who is as crazy as me and is mentally the insane the person.
Oh my god, a mental boy. So
Rohit,
yeah.
how do you think? How do you feel about me?
Oh, at first I kind of thought him as a loner, and then I started observing him in class because he always used to act crazy. I'm like, this guy there's something different about him. And then I came to know more about him, and then I found out he's a geek, same as me, and he used to love things which I do love, and that's how we became friends. That's how I thought that this is the guy that I can call my friend because he is almost the same as me. And that's how our bond started.
It's very psychotic to say that I have not watched a single Game of Thrones, who still has not seen a single episode of Game of Thrones, and around me are all GOT maniacs.
I just feel like strangling him right now because he hasn't watched Game of Thrones. Come on, who does that?
I am the one person who watches Big Boss forcefully. Let me be clear, I have no intention of watching Hindi sitcoms that are so psyched out.
I kind of actually did an episode on reality shows and how they are not reality shows and how they destroyed my childhood, because when I came to know that WWF was not real, it broke my heart. And I was like, damn you TV gods.
I watch Homeland for other reasons.
Oh my, well,
But I love Homeland. Certain things are damn good, apart from Game of Thrones.
Have you watched Spartacus? Did you watch Spartacus? I used to love Spartacus before Game of Thrones came. Before Game of Thrones became the Game of Thrones it is now, because the novels were there before the TV show became such a rage, and now it has become a pop culture phenomena everywhere. Like, people can't survive without Game of Thrones, and like, it's everywhere. So now I actually started following Game of Thrones on a really good intention, liking the story. But now I think it has been overblown so big that it's good. The story is good. The characters are great, but the phenomena has
You
been.
don't need to tell me so much, Rohit. How the fuck do you think a non-GOT guy will think of from a GOT point of view? He has gone insane. Insanely insane. How can I think a guy who hasn't even watched any GOT episode, by the way, Emilia Clarke, you are damn hot. How can anyone do like that? How can I have any kind of idea what the hell GOT is apart from that dwarf guy? Damn good. So,
He is called Tyrion Lannister. Come on!
he is a chutku, I don't care. Maybe a chutku hai wo.
This is not good.
So now, I think we said too much about sitcoms.
Okay, yeah, fine. We should just wrap this up. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching with us. If you did like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And so to stay in touch.
Stay viewed, stay connected, because I tell you, one day we are gonna come very. I really don't know what to say after this.
Exactly.
I mean,
So,
this is just the first video.
Fine.
Then we will come back for more humor, more better things.
It's okay, fine, it's cool.
It's cool.
Always remember guys, it's all about
We rock.
perspective.